In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password of your Evernote account in case you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in evernote.com in the address bar and press enter. Now click on the login button to proceed with logging into your account, and you will be taken into the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your email address. So just go ahead and type it in and click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Now in order to reset your password, just click on the forgot password button underneath the sign in section. You will then be taken to the password reset page. Just type in your email address once again and then verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot. Now simply click on send verification email, and now you will receive an email on your email address. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Evernote. This email contains a link to reset your password. So just go ahead and click on it, and this will redirect you into a new page where you can type in your new password. Now just go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Now if you want to sign out your account from every other device or browser, then make sure you click on the checkbox which says revoke all my existing application sessions. Now you can finally click on the reset button, and now you will be logged into your account with Evernote. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Evernote. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.